Little tip from Redneck, you might say. Start doing a few of these little things I learned and know, and things I can share with you. Badly scratched CD. You don't throw it away. You can fix that. White buffing compound, Princess Auto, or if you're just your machine supply store anywhere, use that. White clean wheel. I keep one clean. We're just doing CDs and car headlights. Works well on them too. No water, no nothing. Just compound on it. Don't be afraid. It won't melt it. You get to see it's going to melt it and ruin it, you're wrong. I was surprised to see it myself. Yeah, you know those foggy headlights you get in your car or yellowed? System works great for headlights. So if you can't see the road because your fog lights are all fogged up, get your buffer out. You wouldn't believe how easy and quick it is too. It's right quick and easy. Here, I'll just clean this CD up. And I'll show you the difference I just did in that one corner of that really badly scratched CD. And it's playable because this is the recording surface. Look, the mud's still on there. That's the recording surface. It's all etched into the tin on top of the piece of plastic. So you get your buffer out, take the scratches out of the plastic, it still can see the recording surface underneath. Let's see if you can see the difference here. Side that I've done, I still got to go further into it, but you get the picture of what's going to happen here. Okay? Versus Mr. Scratches and buffed. It's actually phenomenal, the difference. And that was purposely put in the driveway and squished in the gravel so you could see it. Think about just a little hair scratch from your CD player and you just skip driving you nuts. You can just take that out right quick. There you go, tips from Redneck.